How to use Walmart's prescription transfer service. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Walmart's prescription transfer service. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for walmart.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the left side toolbar. You will see the services drop down. Tap on that and then tap on the pharmacy option. You will then see the option for transfer prescription. Tap on that. You will now be asked to fill in a form. So go ahead and enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and your phone number, and tap on the Continue button. In the interface that you will then be led to, select the pharmacy name and enter the pharmacy number from where you are transferring your prescriptions, and then under the Transferring to tab, select a Walmart pharmacy to transfer your prescription to. You will be asked to enter the zip code, so enter the zip code and tap on the search button and further select the location and tap on Continue and then tap on Continue again. You will then be asked if you want to transfer all your active prescriptions or just a few selected ones. Select the best suited option for you and tap on Continue. Finally, review your details thoroughly, and with this, your transfer request has been made. Wait for Walmart to review your request. So, this is how you can use Walmart's prescription transfer service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.